We weren't, as a group of engineers, coming together and trying to storm up ideas of what farmers might need help with. We were going out into the real world and using our knowledge to solve real problems.
So deer are a major problem, especially for small farms. They really love to come in and eat the produce. And other deterrents tend to either be expensive or over time the deer get used to them. Farm Guard is unique in that it moves around and it takes a different approach to scaring them away by either using different sounds or lights or even just the drone itself.
We began the process by reaching out to a local farmer and asking him, what problems do you think we can help solve? And then we built something to try and solve those problems.
And this was part of the challenge. I mean, they're required to talk with the farmer. Otherwise, we would not have done it. Understanding that you have to work with real people and try to solve the real problems was really important.
So after we spoke with Chris, the farmer, he told us about the amount of crops that he was losing. He lost 30% of his crops every year. That really put into perspective how big of a problem this was. There is an existing solution to the deer problem that farmers are facing, which is building a large, sturdy fence that surrounds the entire farm. There's some issues with that. One is monetary. It's very expensive to build a fence around the farm. Another thing is that it takes up a lot of space, so you have less space to work with tractors. We're not the first to be solving this deer problem, but we're proposing a more cost-effective solution.
I think they learn to work with people with different backgrounds. In the world, you never work with people only like yourself. In fact, it's more boring, right, if everybody's the same. And so bringing this diversity, skills, interests, and experience, I think, again, is very good for everybody, long term, and short term, people enjoy doing.